In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to your Shopify page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place and customize content blocks so your pages look polished and are easy for shoppers to navigate. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you control your store's design and content. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. Then choose Themes. This is where your live theme and any drafts are managed, and it's the gateway to the visual editor. Find your active theme and click the Edit Theme button. This opens the theme editor, which lets you see your page on the right while you manage sections on the left. At the top, use the drop-down to select the specific page you want to edit. If you don't see your page right away, open the drop-down and browse the list until you find the correct one. Now, in the left sidebar of the editor, scroll to the very bottom and click Add Section. You'll see a list of available sections your theme supports. Pick something that fits your goal. Rich text is great for headings and copy, while Image Banner is perfect for a bold visual with a call to action. When you select a section, it's added to the layout instantly. Place your new section where it belongs by dragging it in the left sidebar. Use the drag handle to move it above or below other blocks until it matches the flow you want. Think about the story your page tells. Lead with a strong visual or headline, follow with supporting text, and keep related content grouped together. Customize the section by adding text, images, or other content using the options that appear. Keep headlines clear, keep paragraphs short, and use images that are sized appropriately so they load quickly and look crisp. If your section supports buttons or links, label them clearly so visitors know exactly what they'll get when they click. Repeat this process to add more sections as needed. Mix content types thoughtfully, alternate visuals and text to avoid long walls of copy, and avoid adding more sections than you truly need to communicate your message. When you're ready, preview your page in both desktop and mobile views using the icons in the editor. Check spacing, line breaks, and image cropping so everything looks great on smaller screens. Adjust anything that feels cramped or unclear. That's it. You're done. Go ahead and check your result now to see your updated page in action.